My name's Steve Shotwell, and I have the privilege of talking to you from the Ford Piquette Avenue plant in Detroit, Michigan. Behind me now is a demolition crew. The demolition crew is working on knocking down a garage here that is just north of the Piquette Museum. The demolition contractor is clearing out all of this space. The space formerly had a garage that was part of the Studebaker business. That is no longer being used. Our roof here at Piquette is a wood roof, and there's no way it will support a major heating and cooling system. Therefore, we're looking at using this ground to be able to place that equipment on there. We also recently purchased an emergency generator. That generator is going to power our fire suppression pump, just in case the power goes out as well. So we're doing that to be able to keep this building safe. What you see here is a lot of rubble. All the steel is being separated, all the concrete will be separated, and those items are going back to be recycled. Yes, there'll be some things going to the landfill that will not be accepted for recycling, but we're really excited and pleased that recycling is a major part of this initiative. The back of the museum that actually faced the railroad is physically connected to the garage that we see right here. We brought in heavy equipment and did a saw cut. That saw cut made sure that both of those structures are now isolated. The strength of the steel and the concrete roof that was on this and the way it was connected to the building required us to take it in smaller pieces. All those pieces are coming out more easily. We've been saw cutting, mammoth saws going up, cutting through that concrete and actually cutting through the partial of the beam even up on top. And as we've been taking those pieces and dicing them up with a saw, now it's a lot easier for the equipment you see behind me here to be able to take their shovels and knock the pieces down and drag them away. We're trying to be as careful as we can. And we have volunteer masons here that we just really appreciate so much. They then are going to come forward and they'll be able to separate those last pieces of concrete, the very small sections that are attached to the building, and replace it with the bricks just like it was between 1904 and 1910. This whole project is about preservation. All of our actions are dedicated to protecting this particular building. If we do it properly, our guests will never even be able to tell that there used to be a garage located right here. Let me say a special thank you to our Board of Trustees to be able to collect the resources that we need to do this project. We want to thank everybody who has contributed to it. Direct Construction Services has been awesome for us. We want to thank the scores of volunteers that are stepping forward. Without that kind of support and that help, this project certainly wouldn't be at where it's at today. It's a better and it's a safer environment because of your help. Thank you.